In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure your customer settings in Prestashop. It's going to take just 5 minutes, so let's dive in and explore how you can easily manage your customer settings. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to your shop's admin login page. This is usually found by using your shop domain followed by a / and the word admin. Once there, you'll arrive at the login screen. Go ahead and enter your email and password in the appropriate fields. Remember to keep your login credentials secure and private. After that, simply click on the login button. If your email and password are correct, you should be redirected seamlessly to the Prestashop back office dashboard. Here is where you manage all aspects of your online store. Now that you're in the dashboard, locate the settings option. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Within the settings menu, you'll find various options. You want to click on shop parameters. This takes you even deeper into the customization options available for your online store. From here, click on customer settings. You'll notice that this area is divided into 3 main tabs: customer settings, groups, and titles. Each tab allows you to fine-tune specific aspects of the customer experience on your site. In the customer settings tab, you can enable or modify your preferences, such as whether to redisplay the cart upon login, whether to automatically send an email notification following customer registration, or to set a delay for password resets. Moving on to the customer service options, you'll find additional configuration settings like email management, message deletion, and the ability to create new threads for customer communication. These are vital for maintaining smooth and effective communication with your customers. Next, let's switch to the Groups tab. Here you have the power to manage different customer groups and even assign individual customers to these groups right from their personal profile. This feature is particularly useful for setting up targeted promotions or providing tiered access to various features within your store. Lastly, you can visit the customers page itself if you need to modify specific customer details. This could include adjusting titles, names, email addresses, passwords, birth dates, and assigning group access. This granular level of detail helps you keep organized records and provides an enriched experience for your customers. And there you have it. With these few steps, you can efficiently configure and manage your customer settings in Prestashop. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials.